Okay, what we have actually seen in our configuration so far is this. Okay, we started with company code. I'll click this. It will take me to the configuration node. Edit, copy, delete. Sorry, company code data. DAP 9. Double click, and we have DAP 9 group, and we maintain these areas. And then after this, assign company code to company. We also created a company. DAP 9. So DAP 9 group is working under company DAP 9. After this, we actually create field status variants. Global settings, double click, and company code to field status. Over here, DAP 9. What a field status? A field status basically controls what every GL account, vendor account, material account, fields will look like and act like. We'll discuss this later. Sign variants, global settings, not this one, new. Assign variants of posting periods. Tab 9, we have assigned AA42. We'll see what is AA42 about. Continue. And this is basically posting of assets, customers, vendors, material, and GL accounts, starting from very first, which is nothing from range 0 to the end range. All periods are open. 1 and 12 for normal entries, 13 and 16 for adjustment entries. Once this is done, field variants, then we have chart of accounts. Chart of accounts, we assign company code to chart of accounts, and we define account group also. NAP 9, we have assigned these GL groups, not GLs. These are number ranges for GLs under which GLs will be made. We'll make it later. And we assign it to the same company code DAP 9. And we also define retained earnings. We've already defined that. Then comes next big step, controlling area. We maintain controlling area. Tab 9, double click, cross company code, group currency, and legal valuation. Currency USD, this will be reporting in USD. Okay. Chart of accounts, DAP 9, field status variants K4, that is January, December posting. Chart of accounts is also made. Cost center hierarchy DAP 9. Activate. We want this component to be active and these areas also. Assignment of company code, we can assign multiple company codes if chart of accounts and fiscal variant are same. Only then. Okay. Then we prepare version for CO ledger. Double click, real-time integration. Define ledger for CO version. DAP 9. And we prepare a ledger where all the entries will also get reflected in the entries in controlling area. The controlling area hierarchy, we'll discuss this later. We also make a plant and we assign it. Assign plant. First, we define plant in logistics and general. In logistics and general plant. Okay. And then we assign a plant. So same DAP 9. Okay. DAP 9, we have assigned the plant. Currency and valuation profile, this is for materials. Maintain currency and valuation profile. And we have maintained DAP 9. What are details? Company code currency and group currency. Then we assign it to controlling area. DAP 9, DAP 9. Define ledger. We've already seen this. Then material ledger settings. Assign currency types. We've already defined currency types in ledger. DAP 9. Company code currency. Assign material ledger to valuation area. Valuation area is plant. Valuation area and company code and type material ledger. And then we activate it. That's it. This is what we have done so far. Okay. File ledger for CO version. Maintain versions. Next step. Zero. Plan actual. It will capture plan and actual both values. Controlling area settings, and our controlling area is LAP, not LAP 9, but OKKS. 'S'. We'll change the controlling area. Tab 9. Maintain versions. Ruling area settings. Tab 9. 0. Settings for every fiscal year. Integrate planning. Save. LP01. Now these are some by default settings. We have to go about it. LP01 is output device. And SM37 is for background job checking. Now this will actually run this program in the background. Refresh. This is finished. Okay, it is done. Go back. SPRO. Oh, we've already done this. Maintain versions. We've already done this. Okay. And we have versions 900, 909. We can also make 900 with numbering range like 800, 808, 811 for best forecasting, worst case forecast, best case and normal case also. And it will capture plan values or actual values or all or work in progress and variances. Okay. So even if it is not clear, no worries. This is going to be easy for you all. Next is numbering range for CO document. Tab 9. Change groups. Create group. Tab 9. Now what we are doing basically, I'll let you know. When we pass on a document, a controlling document, for example, like CO posting, controlling postings coming from finance. This we will assign to our tab 9 group. So whenever a journal posting will be assigned to CO or passed to CO, it will reflect in controlling area. It will show in a document number generated by system 09. Save. Next is global settings, ledger, ledger, integration of controlling with financial accounting. Document types, these are by default already made. So our will be CO posting, CO for GL account secondary cost. Document type variant, standard 01. business transactions will happen, and these are transactions in CO that will happen. Okay. So this is the document variant. Check and define default values for posting and controlling. New entries, tab 9, 0101 2004. Ledger group is 0L. This is the document variant we just saw for CO transactions that will happen for company code. Okay. For this ledger group. So we can have different ledger groups. Okay. Okay. Next is profit center accounting. Basic settings, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. Standard hierarchy, tab 9, currency type 20, which is controlling area currency, USD, legal valuation, group valuation, and other valuation will keep it legal. Active, save, master data, profit center, create dummy profit center. Now, dummy is for cost centers which do not have any representation with cost center. Dummy tab 9 dummy. Tab 9 dummy, tab 9 dummy. Tab 9, no segment. Save. Basic settings. Direct postings. Control parameters for actual data. Right now, we're just doing configuration. We'll go to the front end later on. New entries. 2024. Line items. Online transfer. Save. Data was saved. Maintain plan versions. 0. Controlling area settings. No. General version. 0. Profit centers. Settings. New entries. 2024. Online transfer. Line items. Exchange rate type P. Value date. We don't want that. And C. Okay. We've done that. I hope this is clear. Let's stop here.